After almost 40 days, life limping back to normal. Shops have opened up. Curfew has been lifted. I'm in one of the sector markets here in sector 30. And one of the shops, where you find a lot of people queued up. Now, this is not a grocery shop. It is a liquor and wine shop here in Chandigarh. And here you can see people have queued up for 40 days, almost 41 days. A curfew was clamped in the city, and finally that has been lifted. The UT administration yesterday had given detailed guidelines on which all shops will be open, what will be the duration, and also the social distancing norm that will be maintained. If I can again show you policemen who have been deployed here outside this liquor shop, they are trying to maintain the social distancing, adequate distance between those who have come here to buy liquor. So clearly it's not just these shops, also trying to ensure the people who've been without their quota of alcohol, they have come here. As you can see, quite glad, happy faces all around, particularly outside this liquor shop. But yes, the administration trying to ensure that the social distancing norms are maintained. The shops, the odd-even formula has been adopted by the UT administration. Today, even numbered shops will be allowed to open, and tomorrow the odd numbers. That's the formula that has been adopted by the UT administration. Yesterday, before a few days back, there was reports that maybe there will be odd-even formula for vehicles also, but that has been done away with. The administration has decided to allow all numbered cars, but at these shops, most of them have opened up in the sectors, in different sectors of the city. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, these are odd-even numbered shops, the formula that has been adopted. The administration doesn't want to take any chances. They're ensuring that all safety measures are well into place. And also, when I can go little across the road, that is on the other side of this sector market is the 30B sector. That is the containment area. This has been the worst, one of the worst affected. Large number of cases have been reported from this particular sector, apart from Bapudam colony in sector 26. Now this is 30B. If you can see, these barricades have been put up. The policemen have been deployed here. It's a containment area. Not many people are being allowed. Only those who are there inside, they also have not been, their entry and exit have been restricted because these are places which have been declared as containment areas apart from 30B. Also sector, the Bapudam colony which I mentioned, the colony has been completely contained. But yes, as far as other parts of the city is concerned, life is limping back to normal. As I mentioned, 41 days. The curfew was clamped. There was relaxation for grocery shops, but now all shops are opened up. Though there are restrictions insofar as the distancing is concerned, and also restaurants or bars, they have not been allowed. Taverns, as you can see, one of the tavern here that is not been allowed to open, that will not be opened. That was an order which the UT administration yesterday had clearly mentioned that these taverns will not be allowed for some time. Also saloons and also bars and restaurants, they will be kept shut till the next order comes from the UT administration. Punjab, remember, has not really lifted the curfew. There have been relaxation from 9 to 1 in several parts of the state, but in Chandigarh it's been completely lifted. But from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. the restrictions will be on. The lockdown restrictions will stay in force. But during the daytime, it will be the restriction will be in place. As you can see, the police officials here are trying to maintain that these norms are adhered. They have instructed the shopkeepers, the liquor wine shop owners to maintain adequate shop. As you can see, adequate marking is being carried out so that people really are able to stay at a distance, and the policemen are ensuring that these people maintain. Let's try and talk to one of the police officials. Sir, किस तरह से तैयारी हो रही है? कोशिश कर रहे हैं आप डिस्टेंस रख के?
डिस्टेंस.
ओके. तो क्या गाइडलाइंस क्या दे रहे हैं आप दुकानदारों को?
भाई दुकानदारों से यही गाइड वो है कि भाई अपना अपना डिस्टेंस से खड़े हों.
और अगर जो दुकानदार नहीं मेंटेन करेगा उसके लिए कोई एक्शन होगा?
उसके कार्रवाई होगी.
So there you see the police officials who've been carrying out surprise visits to these shops in Chandigarh. They're saying the strict action would be taken if the social distancing is not maintained. And also, as we showed you earlier, also how demarcation is being carried out so that people actually maintain that kind of safe distance amongst each other. So clearly, Chandigarh is trying to limping back to normal. The life is limping back to normal with shops being opened up. We'll provide you all the details latest on the pandemic, the COVID-19 situation in Chandigarh. Remember, already over 100 cases have been reported. 5 more cases were reported today morning, taking the total count to 102. But the administration saying that these cases are confined to just few sectors, few colonies in the city, and hence there is no need to worry about the cases which have come up. We'll keep on providing you all the updates. You can also log on to our website, tribuneindia.com, and also other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.